can't believe I failed every single shape test of the year. I just want to be a robot racer. Jenny's a failure. Nice work, you freak. Enough. Ha ha. Nice one, failure. Jenny's a freak. Jenny's a freak. Freak, failure, freak, failure, freak, failure. Stop! I had enough of you guys humiliating me like this! Oh no. No. I think I pressed the wrong... button. Oh no. Do not panic, everyone! Get out of this building now! It's a real fire! I repeat, it's a real fire! Here I go! That was a close call. Are you okay, Brett? Yeah, now I'm fine. Whose fault is it? It's the robot freak's fault. Oops. You are such a dummy, Jenny. Yeah, boo. Boo. Shame on you. What are you thinking? We could have just called the cops in the entire building when you pulled a fire alarm in there. No. Please. No. I didn't mean anything. It was an accident, I swear. Silence, all of you! That does it, Jenny. You could have got us all killed in the entire building. What were you thinking, young lady? And when are you gonna wake up? I didn't mean this. No excuses, young lady! You've been nothing but trouble since you came into my school. And guess what? You've been behaving badly when you were my freshman. And I was wrong. Brett and Tiff are way better than you. And you're not somebody. You're a nobody. A nobody. And you crossed the line for the last time. You are expelled! You failure robot. And I don't want to see your face here again. Come on, guys. Let's leave this trash outside. Ugh.